everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here in my garage getting ready to install a new Jeep accessory on my Jeep. ProClip USA reached out to me and asked me to try out their mobile mounting solutions. It should be a pretty easy install. Let's go check it out. So I have the box that ProClip USA sent me. We're gonna open it up and see what's in here and get working on the install. So first we have the ProClip Mobile Mounting Solutions adjustable holder for small to medium cases. And we have the ProClip Center Mount for extra strength mounting platform. Looks like there's some instructions in there. And we have a ProClip t-shirt with some stickers. And it looks like a pretty simple, easy install. But you know, in the past, when I've done installs that I thought were going to be pretty simple and easy, they never turned out to be that way. Check out my transfer case shifter knob. There's a link in the description below. That wasn't as easy as I thought. Let's go inside the Jeep and get working on the install and we'll see how easy it is. We're inside the Jeep getting ready to install these mounting devices from ProClip USA. The first step you're going to want to do is read through the instructions. You always want to read through the instructions first before you do any installs. The only tool I'm going to need is this Phillips head screwdriver. So the first step is to clean your dash, which I've already done. And on the inside of this mounting device are two pieces of blue tape, and you peel those off. So then you adjust your mount so you can see the words, and you're going to center it here, and then you're going to firmly push. That's what the directions say anyway. There you go. And then just push it in. Now this tape does not leave an adhesive, so if you want to take the mount off, you're not going to have any residue. So there you go. This is the ProClip Center Mount extra strength mounting device, and it's in place. Now we're going to attach this adjustable mounting device where I'm going to put my cell phone, and it's going to fit right on here. So the first step is, this is where you'll need your screwdriver. And because I'm old and I can't see anymore, I'm going to get my glasses. And you loosen these screws here. There's two of them, one on the top. I guess I could turn it the right way. One on the top and one on the bottom. So you just loosen it so you can pull these arms apart. Then you place your phone inside. And see this part right here? You're going to want your phone to sit right in there, in this little groove here, right flush with the bottom. Then you want to push the arms in, and then you're going to have to very carefully pull out your phone because you don't want your arms to move. And what you can do is leave it like this and then tighten this screw, and then carefully you want to pull it the rest of the way out because you don't want those arms to move, and then you tighten the other screws. So once you have the screws tightened, you're going to want to test it out to make sure the phone slides in. And you're going to want to make sure it slides in these outer, see these holes here? This is where the phone needs to sit. And it just sits flush, so when you put it on, it sits like this. So it's pretty sturdy. So now that you have that done, you're going to want to get your Phillips head screwdriver, and there is a screw here in the center. And so you loosen this, and then it's going to keep spinning and spinning and spinning. That's okay. At that point, that tells you're going to remove this portion of the mounting base from where the phone goes. So what you're going to have to do is use a little force, and it pops it right off. This one is a little tricky. You feel like you're going to break it and you're not, but just use a little more force than you think you need and it's going to pop right off. So once you feel the screw just keep spinning and spinning, use one hand and the other and just it pops right off. It's pretty easy. Just use a little bit more force than you think you need. Now that the tilt swivel base holder, say that 3 times real fast. So the tilt swivel base holder is detached from the device holder. So we're gonna set this down. It comes with 4 screws, and I'm gonna take this tilt swivel base holder and screw it on to the mount. See, on this mount, so you can put another one over here. There are 4 holes, and you can pick either side. I'm gonna pick this side closest to me. So now we're putting in all 4 screws, and I'm tightening them up. And remember, you're gonna wanna just tighten, you don't wanna tighten one screw all the way. You're just gonna wanna do a little bit each time. You just do that in general with anything. Now it's time to take the device mount and attach it to the tilt swivel base mount. And I tried to do it just by putting it on. That doesn't work. So what you're going to want to do is take your middle finger and push on this screw so it comes up as far as you can here, and then it's easier to see. You can put your screwdriver in there, and then you use the pressure of your screwdriver to push it out, and then you can line it up to the tilt swivel base hole, and there you go, and you just turn it. Now this screw, you can tighten it, it swivels. You can, the tighter it is, the less it's going to swivel. There. Now that you have your device mount to the tilt resistance that you want, you can attach your phone. There you go, and so you can turn it however you want. Pretty cool. My phone is ready to go for a safer driving solutions from ProClip USA. Now all I need to do is find a mount for my other tablet so I can use Maprika when I'm off-roading, as well as my phone at the same time. The perfect solution for multiple devices. This ProClip USA mount is a solid device. It's machine tooled from high-grade ABS plastic. ProClip USA has so many solutions for your vehicle, not just the Jeep Wrangler, but other vehicles. Go check out their website at www.ProClipUSA.com to look for a mount for your Jeep or another vehicle you may be using as a daily driver. There are so many options at ProClip USA. I'm gonna go start looking for something for a tablet that I can use here. Yep, folks, this was a really easy install. Even I did it, simple, easy. With recording the video and doing the install, it took me less than 30 minutes. No issues whatsoever, super easy install. And now I have a place to put my phone, a place to put my tablet. Now I'm ready to hit those trails.